guys, this is Kayla and I'm going to be doing a completely different type of video today. I am going to be doing a doll unboxing. Yes, a ball jointed doll unboxing. I'm super duper excited about this, guys. Okay, so this doll here was a doll that I ended up finding out about like a little further into the hobby. I'm very new to the hobby, so basically this isn't my first doll that I actually ordered. It's I believe the fourth doll I've ordered, but it was the only doll that was in stock. So I'm really excited for this. The whole story with her and stuff is funny to me because I was on Pinterest and I was looking at dolls and stuff like that on Pinterest, and I found her, the sculpt that I'm about to show you guys, as you can see in the title. I found this sculpt and I was like, oh my god, I'm in love with her. I need this doll. And I did like all my research and stuff, and I couldn't find what the doll was actually because on Pinterest it didn't have like a name or anything of the sculpt. So then I ended up joining like a Facebook group, and like the Facebook group found out what the name was, and it ended up being a Little Monica Sophia. So I did my research. I looked up Little Monica. Little Monica's website didn't have it in stock. They said that it would take like 3 months or so. I believe so, like about a month or like 2 months usually is the production time. So yeah, you're probably but I do have other dolls that I'm planning to do unboxings for and stuff like this, guys. I'm gonna try and like do doll videos now because when I was younger I always loved doing like playing with dolls and stuff. That's always been my thing. I loved American Girl dolls. I've loved Monster High dolls and Barbies and Brats. I've always loved dolls. So I've kind of like found my inner child, you know, like not really though, because like these types of dolls are dolls not really for kids. They're dolls for adults that know how to take care of dolls and, you know not to draw on them and stuff like that. Like this is like a real hobby, so I'm really excited about this. But yeah, I have 3 other dolls, I believe. 3 or 2. Well, I have a floating head right now, which is a mini feet Miwa that I'm looking to get a body for. I totally forgot. I think I have like 3 dolls on the way. Yeah, I have 2 mini fees and that floating head. And then I also have a Fairy Castle Puff that was my very first doll that I did pre-order. I paid off the layaway for that, and now I have this doll though that I'm going to be unboxing. So let's unbox it. I covered my address and everything. I'm really excited. Oh my god. This is crazy because this was very an impulse buy. I shouldn't have bought this, like, to be honest with you, but when I saw her sculpt, I definitely fell in love with her. Like, I was in shock, literally. Oh my god. I should be wearing gloves or whatnot, but I have gloves, but they're just dirty from like my face-ups that I've done for my Monster High dolls, which I repainted. I'm like cutting, like I'm literally not doing this right at all. I'm gonna cut myself by accident. I should have got like an actual razor to cut this. Okay. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, alright, so okay, so this is what it looks like when I open the box. I have I guess a Denver Doll Emporium thing. I have another little card from Denver Doll. And then what is this? This must be like my invoice. Yeah. Okay. So that's the invoice. Oh god, guys. I'm like so excited. Let's like do it this way. Okay. Alright. You can see how happy I am. Oh my god. Once I open this, I'm gonna be so happy. Okay. Alright, so this is Little Monica Sophia. Yes, Little Monica Sophia in normal skin. Oh, jeez. Oh my god. And this is my first ball jointed doll, guys. Ah! Again, not my first one that I ordered, but the first one I'm receiving. Oh my god, it comes with the COA, the Certificate of Authentication. I can't say that word. Authenticity. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, she has like a birth date and everything. Date of birth. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Alright, I'm gonna put this in here. Okay. Oh my god, so there's like a pillow. Okay. I'm thinking like the doll is just gonna be there in my face, but no. She's still in some stuff. Okay. Oh, I have some eyes. Here's some eyes. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but they're like a purple. They're purple eyes. So that's cool. Okay, so she's like in a pillow, I'm guessing. Yeah, she's like in a pillow, like two pillows, top and bottom. Okay. Alright, so this is the doll. This is the doll, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And I'm going to be doing her face up and everything, so I might do a video on that. Oh, what's that noise? It's like something rolling. Okay. Oh, I can smell the resin. So that's what resin smells like. Oh god, I've always like imagined it. And here it is. Okay. 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 Oh my god. Look at her feet. They're so much bigger than I expected. Oh, she's very tall. Alright, so this is her body. She smells like resin. Okay, and I guess I should like use scissors. Take that. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, look at her. Oh, she's so pretty. Guys, her face, it's like, oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Oh my god, I'm gonna stand her up, but like, I'm filming this video on a bed, like, oh, she's standing up perfectly, guys. Look at that. Her stomach is so like nice. I love it. Look at that. And also, warning guys, doll nudity, I totally forgot about that. I watched so many unboxing videos and completely forgot to say that. I was just, you know, too excited. Okay. Wow. So this is her head cap. She has like something on the head cap. Not really sure what that is. I don't know what that is, but there's the head cap. And there's like, oh. This must have like fell out of the head cap. Okay. That's a little weird. So this like completely fell off. So there's like glue here. And like, I guess the like official like logo was supposed to be in there and glued. I don't really know what to do. Like, do I just glue it back in there? I don't know. That's kind of upsetting. Whatever. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of weird. don't know why that happened, but it's kind of like she's just there. I don't know, like, why would that come off? That makes me upset. Okay, but here she is. So yes, this is a Little Monica Sophia in a normal skin. Oh, she's so pretty, guys. I'm obsessed with her. And look at that. She's so pretty. So pretty. She has huge feet. I did not expect her feet to be this big for some reason. I didn't expect her to, like, be this size. And her face is just so small. I didn't think her face was gonna be that small, but she's pretty. I feel like this is what mini fees look like, kind of. So once I get my mini fee, I feel like this is their body type. I'm not really sure, but yeah, I'm kind of upset about the head cap logo. Why did that come off? Like, seriously? And I guess this is how you take it off. Okay. Yeah, I don't really know, like, what I should do about that. Like, let me know, guys. This is her head. She doesn't really smell like resin all that much, to be honest with you. Like, when she came out of the box, I smelled really strong resin, but now I don't. Okay, so I'm back. I did put her, what is it? Her head back on, and, ooh, how does it loose? Okay. Alright, I put her head back on. For some reason, it's, like, going down. I'm gonna put a wig on. I do have a few wigs actually that I did buy, like, already. So yeah, I do have a few wigs to put on her that I actually got from Denver Doll Emporium. I got this one, which isn't going to be her aesthetic, but look at her. Look how cute she is. I can't wait to put, like, her face on. Like, it just sucks because tomorrow I have work, and, like, I wish I didn't, because I definitely would use tomorrow a day where I could do her makeup and stuff like that, but I have a job and I have to go to work. But yeah, look at her. She's so cute. A cutie cutie. Oh my god, I can't wait to do her face. And then I also did make some eyes for her, but I don't know if they're gonna completely work out because they are in my floating mini feet head right here that I'm waiting on a body for. They're in her head, but these are the eyes. I don't know if you can see them. You could go on my Instagram and check them out. But yeah, I am really excited about this, guys. Like, I'm so happy. And so my other girls are actually going to be tan girls. Yeah, the other three are all going to be tan dolls because, I don't know, it's just something about tan dolls that I love so much. Like, obviously, my minifee is tan, and I have two other minifees on their way. One that I bought off of somebody off of Instagram, and the other one is I bought from Denver Doll Emporium, which I'm waiting on. So it's a process time and stuff like that, but I'm really excited. And then I also have a Fairy Castle Puff video that might be out soon, probably the end of this month or, you know, the beginning of July. I'm gonna make a video about that. But yeah, I'm super excited. I do have more wigs to try on. I do have, like, a lot of wigs because I wanted to buy wigs so I can have, like, wigs for my dolls. But yeah, I'm super duper excited. I'm really happy. I don't know. And then also, I forgot to tell you guys, she has a name, and her name is Fable. I'm gonna name her Fable, guys. She's gonna have, like, a whole aesthetic and everything. Like, you know, I made like a whole board for her on Pinterest, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna put some eyes on her though. But oh, I'm so happy. I really love her. She's beautiful. She really is. She's gorgeous. Like, oh, her sculpt is just so pretty. I can't wait to make it my own. So yeah, I'm really happy. So yeah, this is Fable, guys, and she'll see you soon. I'm gonna make a video of her face up, probably, hopefully. I could do that, but yeah, bye guys.